Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can add borders to an image in Google Slides. First, there are two methods that you can try. The first one is pretty basic. We are basically going to be using the borders tool right on Google Slides. But there is also another method that makes the border actually looks more interesting and looks prettier in general. So let's start with the first one. The first one is you just need to click on the image and then click on this menu that says border color. So whatever color you choose, it will automatically add that border into the image. Let's say I'm going to select this orange color. It's still there, but it's pretty tiny. That's why you almost cannot see it. The next thing we need to do is to increase the thickness of that border. Let's say I'm going to increase it to 4 pixels. Now it is much more visible. You can also change the style to dots or dashes, or maybe other style that you want, but this is basically the basic border you can apply to any image in Google Slides. However, the second method is probably the best one, and because we are going to be using a decorative border that we have to apply to this image. Okay, so the first thing you need to do is you have to find some border PNG file from internet. You can go to Google and find these borders using the keyword decorative border PNG, and it will bring you all sort of options. After that, you can download one of these borders to your computer, and you can go to image again. Go to Google Slides, click on the image, and you want to upload one from your computer. Okay, now I have this border that I'm going to apply to this image. But the first thing we need to do is we have to make sure the size and the orientation is correct. In this example, the border is horizontal, so we have to make it vertical like this, and we are going to make it smaller, at least to the size of this image. So I'm going to move it right here, and there you go. I think it looks perfect. So this is the second method, and that's how you can add decorative borders to Google Slides. I hope you find this video helpful.